Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Dodge Journey and I will show you how to remove and replace the glove box. Now this is very easy to do. You don't need to use any kind of tools. You can remove it just by using your hand. Okay, to start, first you want to open the glove box all the way, and once you've done that you will have two black pins, one on each side. So one will be right here, which is holding the glove box on this side, and one will be just on the other side. So pretty much all you have to do, you have to push this pin out with your finger, just like this, you see, all the way, and then lower the glove box down. Ideally you would do both sides at the same time, but it's doable with one hand as well. So just pull it towards yourself and then lower the glove box, and that's pretty much everything. And now once you have the glove box out, you will have one more black pin right here. So you just want to slide it forward and pull it out, you see. And when you're installing it back, you will just again install it into this hole and tighten it up. And now only thing left to do is to remove the glove box from these two hinges. To do that, you will just pull the glove box up, and that's it. This is how you can remove the glove box on a 2010 Dodge Journey. I'm pretty sure the process will be completely the same on similar on newer ones as well. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.